Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the TopSolar 100W portable solar panel. This awesome panel can be taken anywhere and set up quite easily. So let's unbox it and check it out. Alrighty, like I said in the intro, this is a 100W portable solar panel. Comes built in with everything you need, even the cables. So this is pretty cool device. There's nothing that you need to do, pretty much just take it out, unfold it, point it at the sun, and plug in your devices. Really nice and easy. As you can see, it comes with this nice zipper there, and it's got some stands, nice screen. You got your solar connector, 2 USB A's, 1 USB C, DC out 14 volt, and a DC out 19 volt. And it's already built into the unit. Really cool. Right here you have your solar connectors and some of your DC out connectors. So you got 4 of them there. You got your 8mm, your 5521, your Anderson, and your MC4. All of your standard cables that you'll need for solar. But I won't be needing these. I'm not connecting any other solar or using any of the DC outs. I just want to use this to charge my devices like phones and batteries. So I can keep that in the zipper. When using for the first time, make sure to remove this plastic film, and it is pretty stuck on there, so just go ahead and slowly remove that and take your time. Some of the features that are built in are surge protection, overvolt protection, and short circuit protection. Really cool, very nice. As I continue to get this plastic wrap off, we will be moving into the phase of testing this thing out. But first off, I want to let you know that it's got these built-in stands, which are very nice. Once again, you don't need anything. You just undo the Velcro, stand it up, and it will stand up flat and point at the sun. Alright, so I'm just coming right to my backyard. It's probably about 12 p.m., so the sun is shining very hot. I just went ahead and just undid it like so. And look at that, it's pointing directly at the sun, and it should be pretty decent. Once again, there's our ports. And so now what I have is this little portable battery, and it is already charged to about 80%, so it may be able to do faster charge if it was lower. So I just want to see what it is charging at when I plug it in. Once again, this is at 80%. You can see 48.66 watts of power at 80%. That's pretty damn good. I'm happy with that. And while I'm doing that, I just wanted to go ahead and charge my phone so I can charge multiple devices at once. And I do not have an iPhone cable to check the speed on that, but you can see that the speed, the wattage dropped a little bit. So it does share the wattage in the devices. Alright, and folding it up and packing it up is super easy. I did it with one hand and a camera in my hand, so very easy. When it's done, you just walk away. Thanks for watching.